I can move the slides on my own, isn't it? Yeah, thank you. Let me go back. Thanks, Pearl, for the opportunity, and good evening to everyone. As you have said, I was excited first about the CBD, but having read the whole document in terms of what the products entail, before I even talk about the products themselves, I want to just express my gratitude to you and Elton for leaving the other company. And it will sound like a cliche, but after having read the documents and the ingredients of the products that we have, is someone speaking? Can you guys hear me? Pearl? Hello, Pearl. Can you hear me? All right. Like I said, I want to express my gratitude to you and Elton, because having gone through the ingredients and actually went further in and studied what the ingredients entail, I just realized how little did I know, having had all this experience as a medical doctor, having gone to medical school, how little do I know about natural products and their benefits, and how incredibly good they are. A lot of doctors who, when they go to university, we learn about pharmaceutical products, and we never get to learn about natural products which people use everywhere around us without us realizing. And I'm surely going to go into them one by one. Then you will realize why I'm excited about these products. The first product I want to speak about is Desire. Desire has a number of components within it. The first one is called Borage, Borage. It has a number of things. First one is that it addresses your adrenal insufficiency, adrenal cortex part of our body, adrenal insufficiency in your system. It causes you to have chronic fatigue, muscle weakness, loss of energy, loss of appetite, and weight loss. Borage, as a part of Desire, helps that product process so that you don't have fatigue, chronic fatigue. It also purifies your blood, increase your urine flow. So people with prostate would benefit from such a product. It prevents inflammation in your lungs. Right now, we know the biggest killer of COVID-19 is inflammation in the lungs. So if you have a product that will help you with that, you're usually going to benefit a lot. It's a sedative as well. It promotes you to sweat so that you take out impurities in your body. It has also another product called sarsaparilla. This component, it helps with your skin conditions. It helps with rheumatoid arthritis. It helps with kidney disease. It detoxifies your blood. It helps you with weight loss. It improves your immune system, and it's anti-inflammatory as well. These are components within your Desire. It has also another product called Iris Moss. Iris Moss is just it gives you omega-3. Omega-3 is responsible for anti-inflammation in your system. So you're taking product which has the multiple components which helps you with inflammation. It has oats for energy. It has saw palmetto, which is used to prevent inflammation of the prostate. So every man should use this product, because once you get inflammation of a prostate, you know you're going to get cancer of the prostate. It also balances your estrogen levels in females, so that you have your normal hormonal flow. So a lot of women have hormonal problems, and there's not much that we can take except you use your contraceptives to balance your hormones. So that it can have regular flow, you don't get period pains and so forth. So it has this component that balances your estrogen levels. It also helps ladies with polycystic ovary syndrome. those who have cysts in the ovaries. It also prevent alopecia due to hormonal imbalance. Those people who lose hair, especially ladies who can lose their hair as well. So it's a product for everybody. It has iris moss, as I said. It has also damania, which is regulates your menstrual cycle as well. So it's not just a product that increases libido. It also enhances libido in both female and males. It improves fertility in women as well. So as a lady who was struggling to have children, this is a product to use as well. It has also, there's other names are very difficult, but Muiparna, Parma, something like that, which is an aphrodisiac. It has mocha, which gives you energy as well. It also has the one that is product that is the key component of this is Tabayati. To those who don't know, Soto, literal English is the tea of the mountain. It has been proven and tested and been proven by scientists, has been published as a product that enhances, is a sexual stimulant, and it helps with erectile dysfunction in men as well. So it's an unbelievable product to have. So having looked at those components, you have an unbelievable product on our hand that addresses a lot of problems that people are having every day. So it's basically a no-brainer for everybody that you need to use this product every day. And it's a product that will come in.
Before you go on.
Yes.
We have, I mean, I want to just emphasize on the fact that it increases fertility when it comes to women. We have one of Inspyre. He's been using this with his girlfriend. And we just found out last week that she's actually pregnant. So I was just shocked because I wanted to ask you, with all these ingredients, what is it that actually gets people to be pregnant that they were not? Because, you know, everyone, you always joke about the fact that I'm pregnant, but it was just a shocker to hear somebody else being pregnant.
Yes, like I said, it has a number of components. One of them is your balancing your hormonal system, your estrogen levels. It also becomes increased fertility. It purifies your blood. So all as a sexual stimulant as well. So all these components combined gives you, it also helps with infertility as well. So it means that even if you have polycystic ovary syndrome, you can't pregnant, because it helps that you get then the opportunity to have your whole system being optimized to fall pregnant.
All right, thank you, Doc, with that one.
All right, I can go on to the next product. Maybe we'll take questions later also. The Hope Drops, that's another unbelievable product that I actually had to look at as well. It does a lot of things. It has a number of things within it that are unbelievable. The first one, those who are South African will understand this word, kankerbos. It's a cancer bush. This product on its own, people are selling it for a lot of money. I just got to talk with one of my colleagues, Xavier, and we found out that someone is selling this product, Cancer Bush, or Kankerbos, for almost 300 rand on its own, not the product as Hope Drops. So you can imagine now when you have this product infused into your Hope Drops, a product that people sell on its own over 300 rands, this product which you find in the Capes, in the Eastern Cape, Western Cape, in KZN, in basically almost dry areas of the country. It's used for a number of things. It has antiviral properties, it has antibacterial properties, it has anti-cancer properties, antifungal properties. I mean, already these things that I have mentioned already, they are unbelievable. It treats, it helps people who have HIV, it helps people who have diabetes, it helps people with neurological disorders and stress. I mean, I'm just really bold once I started going to this product. It also has got another product called Adanosonia digitata, which is a part of which you get in a African baobab tree. Those who Google baobab tree, you would then read what it does. It helps with diarrhea. It's used to treat malaria. It has from antimicrobial infections, antiviral, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. It's a great source of vitamin C. So people don't really need to take your pills. I mean, already you're talking about antiviral property, anti-inflammatory properties. With the current infections that we have a product that will protect you. I mean, we know now, I'm not anti-vaccines, but I'm saying is that the purpose of vaccines is to prevent people from getting severe illnesses, not to prevent infection, not to prevent spread, but to prevent you from getting severe infection. But you have a product that are available at your fingertips that prevent you from getting severe infections of this virus. I mean, why not use them instead of using other things that you don't even know where they come from? It also has what do you call it? Shilajit, something called Shilajit, which is found in the Himalayas, the Himalaya mountains. It basically, if you can think of Himalaya mountain, the first thing that comes to your mind is people climbing high mountains. So this product prevents people to get high altitude sickness. We know people who go in Himalaya mountains, some of them die because of high altitude. So such a product prevents you from that. It prevents people from Alzheimer's, which is old age, when you lose your mind because of old age. It improves testosterone levels as well. For those who want to fall pregnant, guys who have testosterone levels. It helps with male infertility, which is a bigger problem because a lot of times men don't want to see doctors and they believe women are the ones who have a problem, but it's men who have. And so if you give the man this, you help him as well. You help save a lot of families. Helps with chronic fatigue, aging, anti-aging properties. It prevents your heart, gives you heart health. And it has other products that are within the Hope Water as well. We're talking about your colloidal silver and hydrogen peroxide as well. And some of the products that are there. So unbelievable product. Can't wait to get my hands on it as well, based on what I've read and what the ingredients are. The next product, the toothpastes. Those are aloe vera and charcoal. We know that charcoal is for whitening of your teeth. Aloe vera is a superfruit of the 20th century. These products help with cleaning your teeth. They make sure your saws don't get sores, don't have gum problems. Even if you have gum pain, it helps. It has antioxidant properties. It prevents gingivitis, fresh breath. I mean, cavity protection. I mean, we grow old with all your teeth, I mean, basically. So, unbelievable as well. The last product I'm going to talk about is Life Water. Life Water it's water which is extracted from the atmosphere. It goes through a machine to purify it. It has unbelievable taste. Why atmospheric water? Because even in dry periods of the year where there is no water, you are guaranteed to have water that is sustainable, that you can draw from it. Obviously, the technology needs to be good to get that water, and we then infuse a CBD in it, in nanoparticles. That is smaller so that you don't see the difference. It becomes part of the water. And CBD on its own is an amazing, it's a topic on its own. It's an amazing product. Personally, CBD has been helped me save a lot of lives in my practice because of its anti-inflammatory properties. The biggest disease now, which is killing a lot of people, is as we know, is COVID, and the biggest problem with COVID is causing inflammations in your heart, in your blood vessels, and in your lungs. And when you use CBD, that inflammation immediately goes away. If someone comes with a shortness of breath, I immediately give him the CBD product. The chest opens up immediately as he's sitting in my practice. So it has saved. To this date, I still have to lose one patient due to COVID as a doctor. To this day, I still have to refer a patient to hospital for COVID because of a CBD product. So on top of that, it is added within it 84 trace elements. A lot of people say, but why? What's the importance of the trace elements? First of all, is to balance our whole system, to have, so that we don't have insufficiency of any trace element. Secondly, for your CBD to work effectively, you need to also have trace elements within your body, so that your CBD can perform within your body effectively. So you don't have to add other things to it. And the third part is that as our bodies is made up of 70% water, so when you use the life water, CBD becomes immediately absorbed. It's high absorption rate, higher bioavailability, therefore quicker onset of action compared to any other CBD products that are there in the market. So, as I say, also, this is an unbelievable product to have. Can't wait, basically. And I think I'm done. Pearl, over to you. Can you hear me? I see Pearl. I've lost Pearl for some. I don't know if there are questions. Pearl, can you hear me? I can't hear you, Pearl. You are muted. Hello, can you hear me, Pearl? Hello, Pearl. Are you? Hello? Okay. All right. I'll try and look at the chat. Looks like we have sound issues from the Pearl side. So those who have questions, I'm trying to find questions. There's someone who asked trace elements, the 84 trace elements, and then it's from Anne Rose, and then Other question.
Yeah.
Yes, can you hear me now? I can hear you now.
Yes. Okay, cool, perfect.
Yeah, I was looking at the question. There's only one question that I can see.
Yes, from and Rose.
Yes, but I won't be able to give answer to that for now, because I still need to go into details with the trace elements. I haven't had a chance to do that, to look at them.
I know that okay, but it seems like we have no more questions. So if everybody is happy with everything, looks like you did a good job to really break it down for everyone. So I am going to play this video